I am your host, Asa Kane. Now, SkyAI has quickly become one of the most talked about AI cryptocurrencies in all of crypto. Over the last several weeks, we've seen massive interest in the project, significant price volatility, and a growing number of investors trying to understand exactly what it does. In this episode, I'm going to break all of this down for you. But first, before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification to make sure you don't miss out on everything that we have going on. Now, before we get into everything pertaining to Sky AI, first, we have to start with what you have. You have to protect what you have. And the reality is, the vast majority of you do not. You have everything that you own on Coinbase or Crypto.com or Kraken or wherever you bought your coins from, which is the absolute worst thing that you could ever do. The only way to truly protect what you have is to get your own cold wallet. All right. Ledger and Treasure are tops when it comes to crypto security, which is why we are partners with both. Get your wallet, take it off the exchange, have peace of mind. Okay. It is the only way. Don't get one on Amazon or eBay. It's not smart. You have to be smart. And also, for those of you who have just got a wallet or getting ready to get one, be sure to get our brand new cold wallet guide. All right. It just launched, Sunday afternoon. I put all of my experience, 6, 7+ years of experience, and a month's time to get this done for all of you. Okay. And I'm very proud of it. I wish I had one when I got my first wallet. Because I had to learn everything on the fly. Now, this guy we're looking at here, that's Kirby. He is not only our mascot, our official mascot, he's also my helper and little buddy. But look here, secure your crypto, easy to understand, stay in control, and it's also, most importantly, built for beginners. Now, let's get into Sky AI. Take notes. All right. Now, at its core, Sky AI is an artificial intelligence and blockchain infrastructure project. Its goal is to connect AI systems with blockchain data in a way that is fast, efficient, and useful. Think about how much information exists across cryptocurrency networks today. There are transactions, wallet addresses, smart contracts, DeFi platforms, NFT projects, trading activity, and thousands of decentralized applications operating across multiple blockchains. That's an enormous amount of data. The challenge is that much of the data is scattered across different networks and often difficult for AI systems to understand and analyze efficiently. Sky AI aims to help solve that problem. The project is focused on organizing and providing blockchain data in ways that AI agents and AI applications can actually use. All right. So that's very important. Now, why does this matter? Artificial intelligence is becoming more powerful every year. AI can already analyze documents, create images, write software, summarize information, and answer questions. But AI systems are only as useful as the information they can access. Imagine asking an AI assistant, which wallet has accumulated the most Ethereum over the last 30 days? Or which DeFi protocols are experiencing the fastest growth? Or show me unusual well activity across multiple blockchains. To answer questions like these effectively, AI needs access to massive amounts of blockchain data. That's where Sky AI enters the picture. The project wants to create infrastructure that allows AI systems to interact with blockchain information more efficiently. One of the interesting aspects of Sky AI is its focus on multi-chain data. Today, crypto is spread across many ecosystems: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and numerous others. Each blockchain contains valuable information. The problem is that this information often exists in separate environments. SkyAI seeks to aggregate and organize data from multiple chains so AI applications can access broader data sets through a unified framework. In simpler terms, instead of AI needing to search dozens of different locations individually, it wants to create a bridge that makes information easier to analyze. That's a big part of the project's vision. I hope you're taking notes. Now, there is one term you're often going to hear associated with Sky AI, and that is MCP. It stands for Model Context Protocol. Now, without getting overly technical, it's a framework designed to help AI models communicate with external sources of information more effectively. Think of it like this: AI models are incredibly intelligent, but they don't automatically know what's happening on the blockchain right now. They need access to current information. MCP helps provide that connection. Sky AI has built much of its infrastructure around extending this concept to blockchain environments. The objective is to make blockchain data more accessible for AI driven analysis and decision making. All right, so this is very important. Now, like many crypto projects, Sky AI has its own native token. The token serves as the utility token within the ecosystem. Typically, utility tokens can be used for such things as accessing services, participating in platform activities, paying fees, supporting ecosystem growth, and potentially governance functions depending on how the project develops over time. As interest in the platform grows, demand for the token can also increase. However, it's important to remember that token prices can be extremely volatile. We all know that, right? Now, a strong project does not guarantee anything, so you have to look into it and do your own research. Now, the $1 million question is, why are investors paying attention? Well, first of all, it's because AI is one of the hottest sectors in technology. Many investors believe the intersection of AI and blockchain could become a major growth area over the next decade. Sky AI sits directly in that category. It's attempting to build infrastructure that connects AI systems with blockchain data. Whether that vision ultimately succeeds remains to be seen, but the narrative itself has attracted enormous attention. Investors are constantly searching for projects that could benefit if AI adoption continues accelerating worldwide. That doesn't mean every project is going to succeed. History shows that many won't, but this very well could. Time will tell. Now, if my breakdown of this relatively new and completely unknown project has been of value to you, has helped to shed light on exactly what this platform does, show your appreciation and your support by making a contribution in the way that has the biggest impact. And that, of course, is financially. Now, you can do so with any stable coin on Ethereum, Polygon, Linea, anything that's on MetaMask. What this does is it helps us to continue to create life changing content for all of you. Look around you: the channel, the site, the wallets to protect your crypto, and now the brand new guide. Make sure you pick up your copy today. It's an instant download. So, I mean, you can use it right now. And until the next video, get into the library. We've got hundreds of them in there, and all of them are extremely valuable. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.